Hey everyone, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I have a yarn unboxing from Herrschners. I bought some mill ends and I actually can't remember what else I bought in here, but we're gonna check it out. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the box open. Almost cut my fingers. Thankfully I didn't, but I wanted to get that all opened up for us. What do we got here? Herrschner's 125 years of the handmade memories. They are celebrating their 125th year anniversary. That's amazing. Oh, so here's this. They have I didn't realize that they have diamond paintings. I have never tried a diamond painting, but I am very curious. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried that and if you enjoy diamond painting. So it looks like I also bought some bulky weight acrylic mill ends. Normally they were normally $24.99 down to $5.99, and it looks like they're still on sale for that. By the time I post this video, I'm not sure if they will be, but you could check it out on their website. So let's check that out first. Looks like we have a light gray. Very nice. I don't normally buy it 5 weights or 6 weights, but I'm thinking this looks like a 5 weight, I think. Let me know if you think I'm wrong on that. I have 3 of those. Oh, wait. Wait. I have 2 of those. That was a different color. So 2 light grays, and this one is a light purple. I didn't realize that until I put it up next to the gray. The lighting in this room is never the best. So yeah, that's very nice. And then we also have some dark purple. Oh, that's pretty. I love purples. That could possibly all go into a project together. Not bad. Oh my goodness, I forgot that I got these. I have Red Heart Sparkle, Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle. This is beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. I bought 2 of these and paid $5.99. Let me check. $4.99 for these, for each one. Isn't that pretty? So Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle, 97% acrylic, 3% other fibers, 561 yards, and 513 meters. It is a size of 4 medium weight, machine wash and dry. I absolutely love these colors, and I love sparkle yarn. I love it. I just got some True Blue sparkle yarn in Mary Maxim mystery bags. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here. It's just absolutely beautiful, and I love this too. I love all the colors in here. So pretty. And here's the second one. So 2 of these beautiful, beautiful cakes. I don't remember why I bought these, but I'm excited to make something with it because it's just gorgeous. All right, so mill ends. I love their self-striping cotton cake mill ends. I bought them once before and got a beautiful yarn. I don't have it up here anymore, but I did make a beautiful, gorgeous shawl with one of them from Crystal at Bagel Day. She had a butterfly effect shawl. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here. I showed what that finished shawl looked like, and it's so gorgeous. And I made it from the self-striping mill end yarns from Herrschner's. And so I wanted to buy some more because I'm thinking of making another shawl of crystals, but I wanted like a different color. So let's see what we've got. All right. Okay, self-striping mill ends. So here it is, very pretty yarn. I am not a huge fan of the brightness of the colors. Maybe some people might not find it too bright. To me, it's a little bright. I have daily headaches, and If the colors are too bright, they really bother my head. But it is very pretty, definitely. I might put this in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway once we get there, because I'm sure someone who can tolerate the brighter colors and who loves brighter colors will really enjoy this. So we have 2 of these. Very pretty. Oh, and for these I paid $14.99, normally $29.99. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh my, you guys, this is just gorgeous. Okay, let's start with this one. Look at that. This is like beautiful teal and gray colors. Very nice. Is that gorgeous? It goes into some grays in the middle. So that is pretty. Now the next one is also gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Take a look at this. That is so pretty. I love purples too. Blues and purples. Oh, it's got some pink in there too. Oh, this is so beautiful. I am trying to decide if I do crystal crochet along what yarn I should use. However, this is a 2-weight. That's probably not going to work because well, no, it would work. She used a 3-weight yarn for her crochet along for the shawl, and this is a 2-weight. So if I did that, it would just end up being a much smaller shawl, and I don't think I'd want to double up the yarn. So I think it'd be fine if it was a smaller shawl. I'll have to go read the measurements and see how big of a shawl that is. And if it's a really big shawl, I could probably use this yarn and get away with making a smaller one. Or I might save this and make another butterfly effect shawl, because I absolutely love that shawl. It turned out so beautiful, and the texture and everything, it's so dainty and elegant. I loved it so much, so I might save it for that. I tell you, that butterfly effect shawl is very addictive. I'm going to link that below in case you guys are interested in that. If you guys have any ideas on what to make with any of the yarn that I showed today, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. And if you enjoyed the type of videos that I put on my channel, or just enjoy hanging out, please consider subscribing. It helps support the channel and really means a lot to me. I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.